What a good day. Yes, I shaved. It's not a joke. So, got a parcel. It's bright, eh? It's marked fragile, and there's a hole in the side. That was because they're still allowed to throw them underhand when they sort them. So I'm not going to show you who this is from as far as addresses are concerned, but the gentleman that sent me this is named Daryl E. So I'm just going to open the box with his name and address not showing to you. Okay. We got paper. We can do this. Ooh. Exciting! Okay, got to show you the first thing that came out of here. Cover that up like that. I guess we should read the note, eh? It's like when you get a gift and you should read the card first, but you want to just tear into the gift. Oh, I see. Just a from Daryl EB. That's his. It's EB from Florida is his YouTube name. So now it looks like there's a few things here. I'll make sure there's nothing in the paper. All right, so this, okay, you guys all know I'm a space cadet, right? But I really am. I follow the space program. I'm up in here in Canada, but my father and I and my daughter all follow this kind of stuff. So this is the NASA 2019 calendar. So whenever I make a joke, we're not working on the shuttle. This is, you know, what I'm doing here is fun, but it's not as important as what this is. And this is all good. This is good. So thank you, Daryl. I will have that up in the garage as right after we turn off the camera. So which one do I go next? One has a handle and one doesn't. So, and him being from Florida, that's about as far away in the continental United States as I can go, because I'm in the northwest of, I'm not in the northwest of Canada, I'm in southwestern Canada, 300 miles north of the American border, and Canada goes 2,500 miles north of there, right? But anyway, that'd be a long drive for me to go to Florida. And here I can contact them just like that on electronics, eh? Okay, coffee cup. I think I got a new coffee cup. Don't want to scratch it. Well, that's a nice coffee cup. NASA. This is pretty sweet. Ooh. Oh, I see. It's got a nice little closer lid. So that's a go-to cup, right? Originally insulated drinkware since 1946, made in America, lifetime guarantee. And I love the comments. You send a comment with every video plus, so I love that. I just spent 2 hours answering comments on another video. So thank you so much, sir. I wonder if we got some old stuff, because I turned 13 on the Apollo landing, on the first landing of the moon. It was my 13th birthday, July 20th, 1956 was my birthday, and 1969, but July 20th, 1969 was the lunar landing, when Neil Armstrong took one small step for man and one giant step for mankind. Oh my God, I just had a flashback. Okay. And what includes complete photo collection of all human spaceflight missions. Oh my gosh, okay, that's what that is. Human spaceflight patches. Okay, that's from NASA. Yes, I'm going to take some time and go through this. Thank you very much, Daryl. EB from Florida. I love it. Hey, some more mail. from the UK. Let's pull these out of here. Well, that's got to be something flat, eh? Okay. So 2 stickers. I'm a lawnmower mechanic, not a magician. That's funny. Oh, here's the note. It's on the back of this sticker. Mike's Mowers. Let's get down and dirty. Hi, Bruce. Here's a sticker from my YouTube channel. You have, oh, that's nice. You have been my inspiration in starting up my channel. Thanks for all your help and videos. From Mick, all the way over in the UK. Mick's Mowers. West Sussex. Sounds cool, eh? Okay, Mick, I'm going to put these up on my fireproof wall here. Maybe over there. So I'll just do that and we'll come back. Might as well show the other one going up too, right? That's cool. That's a cool little picture. So thank you, Mick. See, all of you folks have an effect on me too. It's all part of the system. And then I always take a chunk of the envelope and put it in with all of the other stuff so that I know. That's just a reminder of who all sent me stuff.